Hey everybody, it's Don. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube, and ring the bell to get all notifications. We're doing another taste test. Now, if you remember a few teeth ago, we did a taste test of Carl's Jr.'s Beyond Burger, Beyond Famous Stars specifically. And if you remember, I did a pretty positive review on it. So yesterday we found out that Carl's Jr. now has the Beyond Breakfast editions. So we have a burrito and we have a sausage biscuit sandwich. I'm not exactly into cheese, so I got it without cheese, so keep that in mind. But we're going to taste it, and I'll give you my impressions on what it tastes like. Okay, now this is the thing wrapped. You can see there's a lot of butter here. Here's the egg. And under here is the sausage. Now, I've never been a great fan of their sausages anyway, because it's kind of like Southern sausage, and they got this from the Hardee's recipe, because Carl's Jr. also owns the Hardee's chain. And next, I'm going to just cut it open and give you a chance to take a look inside. Okay, here it is. And they have the little red flakes of pepper inside of it. It looks just like a regular slice of sausage. Now, I have to explain one thing before we taste it and give you my impressions. Most sandwich places, most fast food places, when they have a sausage biscuit, they grill the biscuit. They put it on a skillet, or they put it on the grill, or they run it through the charbroiler. Carl's Jr. fries them. They put the patty in a vat and they fry it. I don't know anyone who does that. Ever. Okay. It's time to see what this thing tastes like, and I'll be right back. Well, I gave it a taste. It doesn't taste horrible. And it does taste a little bit better than their regular sausage product. There's nothing really to write home about. There's sort of like an aftertaste that it seems it went through a chemical grinder or something like that. The eggs were standard issue Carl's Jr. eggs. The biscuit, Carl's Jr. has to work on their consistency. We all know what a biscuit needs to look like. They need to work on consistency, not to burn their biscuits. But that's a general thing from Carl's Jr., not necessarily exclusive to this particular sandwich. I mean, there's really not that much to say about this. It's plant-based, and by the way, plant-based does not mean it's a veggie burger or a veggie sausage. I probably may have made that same mistake, but I took a look at the ingredients. This is mostly soy with flavoring. Remember that stuff back in the 70s called Lipton, make a better burger. That's basically what this is. It's a soy burger. It's soy sausage. You can go to the Carl's Jr. website or the Beyond Meat website. They'll give you a rundown on what's in this thing. Will I eat it again? I don't know. But for $9.41, it's a little overpriced. Excuse me. Anyway, that's my review. Hit a like if you like this, a thumbs down if you didn't. Again, subscribe. We really need to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I hope that you can pass this thing along. We will talk soon. Take care.